So just to let you know, when it comes time and Messiah shows up, there is no big battle going on as far as our spirits and souls are concerned. We just go up. We don't have the problems the others have because we're not on that level that they're on. They're on a very low level. We're on a very high level. They want you to be in fear and think that you have problems, that you have a struggle, that you didn't live right, that you didn't this, that you didn't that. It's all propaganda. You're already a higher frequency. You're already where you're supposed to be. Just know to have no fear. His number one thing in life was, when he was talking, have no fear. Fear makes everything leave. Nothing can threaten you if you have no fear. Fear is the only thing that will keep you here. Fear will lead into guilt and all kinds of other things that you have to own an answer for and justify from the accuser. So just know, the accuser is full of BS, crap sandwiches. You have no fear, nothing to explain for. You're a higher frequency. You are Messiah's frequency, the loving heavenly creator. Just understand, their battle is not your battle. It's not. It's like in a blink of an eye. That's how quick we go. Why? Because we're in good standing, we understand. Our frequency is a lot higher, our focus is higher. We're living a better life. We're doing things we're supposed to be doing. We're not evil at our foundation. We're not part of that. It's all propaganda. You see it every day on MSM. They have to keep you in a low frequency, low dimension. They have to convince you you're like them, but you're not. You're nothing like them. Just remember that. You're good to go. Let's do this. And before we go, because we are all that in a bag of chips, we've been given everything we need to fight any battle there is. And that's the problem. Because they can't take it. They can't handle it. When you get crap sandwiches back in your face from that big old buffet of the evil one, Satan's buffet, remember, it's his. That's not where we eat. That's not what we give our thanks for. Things are so much more simpler than people think. Don't make it such a big deal that you get tripped up over. It's not a stumbling block, nor is it meant to be. He said, have no fear. So, have no fear. You're good to go. We're all good. They can't win against us. Love is love. No fear is no fear. That buries them. Our frequency is very, very high. They need it very, very low. Thus the 5G. Okay? So as long as we understand that, we're good. Nothing can beat you. You weren't designed that way. They're trying to make you think that you are like them, but you're not. You were made in His image. You were made in love. We will do what we have to do. These entities, these reptilians, these, call them whatever you want to call them. Drones, dimensional, call them anything. They're dark energy. And they will discontinue to exist if you make them. They want the whole universe. We have direct influence from them. Stop it. Their nature is not your nature. They want mind control. You can see what's going on. So on the flip side, these beings, the huge population, they came to a conclusion. The only way they can change this is to cut us off from source, so that they can suck us into the other realms, suck our loose. Changing our experience what's supposed to naturally be. We're not going to do it. It comes down to, if you want to change things, change what's inside of yourself and what you project from your source. It's not an illusionary state or source. It's real. We are a major collective. We can manipulate our reality. So do it. You need to realize the power that's in each of us. We have aspects. We have collective aspects. And together, with love and compassion, we can save everyone. We will see changes. And we will see them quickly. Get on the same page. That's all you have to do. Blessings to each and every one of you. And that's what I have to say about that. Don't fall into it. It's propaganda. It's illusionary. It's not real. It's what they want you to see, believe, think, feel. You've paid homage to it for so many years. How do you know how to break that? Just stand up and say, no, I'm done. It's not happening anymore. I will go back. I will bind them. I will get rid of them. But I will not just do that for my generation. I will go back 70 years. Save as many as you can. If you can make your intention about love to all, you're good to go. And blessings to each and every one of you. If you stayed to hear this, thanks. It's really important. We don't want to have anything to do with what they have to offer, because they are the ones that are going to try to stop us from succeeding. We're not going to do that. You see, the evil one is just a plunk. He's nothing. And as long as you know that, he's nothing, nothing. He's nothing. Just know that. Do you even know why you're born? Don't doubt yourself. You might be in a low place, but don't doubt yourself. Have confidence. There's a lot of people that are hurting, that are in pain. Try to have confidence. You matter to God. It takes a second to send that winning sperm up the canal to make a child, but millions don't make it. Do you think you don't matter? Yeah, you do matter. You matter to God. He said, come and procreate. Let my people grow. You have a purpose. God knows everything about us. He knew us. Before we were born, He formed us. He forged us in the womb to have a relationship with Him. Remember all the great things we're here for. So, brothers and sisters, just remember, no fear. Never, ever, ever have fear. That is not what we're to have. The one thing that kills all darkness is bringing light. You bring no fear. You bring truth and love and compassion. You have no choice but to go to a higher, but to go to heaven, but to be blessed and help others. That's all you have to do. There's no more and no less. Do not fear anything that's trying to draw your loose from you, draw your energy from you. That is only evil. And they are so dumb and stupid. They have to bring you to their level to suck it out of you. Don't let that happen. There's nothing to suck out of us. We have only greatness. They don't know what to do with that. So, blessings to all. Do not let anything trick you. It's all deception.